Hi everyone, it's Dave here from NetAngel. So in this short video I want to talk to you about some of the amazing features that I've discovered with Norton Family parental controls. Now I've recently switched to Norton 360 Premium, which includes Norton Family, but you can also get Norton Family as a single product, or it comes with Norton 360 Deluxe. Now, as a parent myself, my first impression was that you don't need to be a technical expert to help support your child's digital journey. I really feel that this will help you to maintain a healthy digital lifestyle as well as keeping them safe. Now, some of the amazing features that I was talking about include web supervision. Simply select the house rules appropriate for your child's age, and this will ensure that they don't wander to any sites which are not age appropriate. Then we've got the time supervision, and this is completely customizable, allowing you and your child to agree the amount of time that they spend on their digital devices, apps or games. Then you've got the app feature. Now what this allows you to do is block certain apps or games that you don't really want your child to play on their smart device. And the one that I found most beneficial to me with my children's ages as they are at the moment was location services, and this is peace of mind for both parent and child. As your child starts to become more independent, this feature will show you that your child has got from A to B safely. So listen, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, leave your comments below, and in our next video we'll show you how to actually install and configure the Norton parental controls.